Okay, guys, going further, mm, this is a very small topic but very important as your requirement of table grows. Now, here we had this table which we had made earlier. Now, I have duplicated and made another table on sheet 2. Now, here I have changed some data about stock value and present stock, etc. Now, let us assume a scenario that you don't have just single shop, but in a town you have got multiple shops. Now, you want to have a centralized data of more than one shop. And suppose I have given a name here, stock inventory. You have got one shop at Hill Street, stock inventory Hill Street, and then you have got another shop that is Heaven Street, that also is stock inventory. So you are using one sheet to just see the overall uh, condition status of your stock for all the shops. So instead of going into multiple documents, you just want to open one document and see, okay, what is the status of my stock. Now, what I have done here is, suppose this is your present stock remaining in Hill Street shop. Now, here I have written, instead of adding here like giving sum and all those things what we discussed earlier, because this will continue to grow as you put more number of items and making it summing it up here in the column itself will be a bit difficult. It will not be presentable. So I have created a sum table here, present stock Hill Street. Now here you know already, so I'll just do it fast. Is equal to sum, and then I select this and this. Sorry, I did something wrong. So is equal to sum. I select sum here. Now bracket sign has come. Now we drag it like this and say enter. So total stock of all the items is 40. Now remember one thing, here 40 is coming on cell L2. Now here I again give sum. Before that, I'll show you something. In sheet 2, again, I will write here present stock Heaven. So this is for your Heaven shop. Now is equal to sum. This is come here, bracket is there. I just select that and say sum. So that is in L2 again. That is very important. In the same cell, Heaven Street present stock is 23. Now here I say total stock. Now this total stock is of all the shops. So is equal to sum Here it is L2, comma. Then what I do is I press the shift button, press sheet 2 and press L2. Now you see the formula? Sum L2, sheet 2, L2. Do this, enter 63. So guys, what we are getting here, this is called 3D calculation. Now, it's very simple, but very useful. Like instead of just one sheet, we are getting the sums of multiple sheets. So that becomes very important if you are having multiple sheets in multiple scenario. In this case, you have multiple shops and you want to keep track of the data of all the shops on sheet number 1, so that in just opening the workbook you get the status of the stock of all your shops. So this is just one example, and you can think of many examples where this uh, style of calculations will be quite useful to you.